Well, welcome back to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures. Yeah, what a turnaround. So last weekend, no wind, nothing, carp fishing. Weather was absolutely peach, to be fair. Pretty much overcast all the way through. Had 4 fish, so happy days. So let's get back to some proper fishing. Yeah, Town Quay, bring it on. So at the moment, I've done my first cast. It's tipping down. We've got 50-mile-an-hour winds, tacking straight in there, sort of like south-southwest. Yeah, a little bit uncomfortable, but it is what it is. Got to be out in it, haven't you? So Storm Bert, I believe, that is the latest one. Sorry, a bit of water coming in there. So I've got my 2 zippies, M4 GTs. I've put my Pen 515 mag 4s on, purely for the ratio. Obviously casting, they're not as great as the TSRs, but the ratio to get up over the bank, if I can just about get to the channel, then obviously the high gear ratio is much easier to get over the bank. So bring it on. Bait wise, it's just rag, mackerel and squid. Goes without saying, it's the Trident Startright Rig Bodies. Got the 2-hook loop, and I've got a pulley pennel with the fish bait on. So let's see what happens. But yeah, it's pretty grim out there at the moment. Some other guys just turned up, he's just about to fish, can't blame him. Make the most of it. High water's about now, I think, judging by how high it is up. It's only small tide, so it won't be much tide run. And I haven't seen a ferry yet. Been here, I don't know, probably 45 minutes. I haven't seen a ferry yet, so whether they cancelled them or not, I wouldn't have thought so. Although there is one tied up down there, which is unusual. So let's hope they've cancelled them. So as I say, the M4 GTs don't really like the car ferries, and I've looked a few of them. It's more the line that pees me off, but there you go, it is what it is. But yeah, so just going to get the GoPro set up. Won't be long for my first bait check, and as I say, no target tonight. Anything that swims is a bonus in these conditions, so we'll just see how it goes. Tickety boo. Time for the first bait check. What am I doing? Lovely. Doesn't feel promising. So if it weren't for the rain, it would be quite pleasant. Doesn't feel like anything on here. Nothing at all. Leader, I think. Yep. Oh wait, there we go. First pout of the night. Oh, I blanked. There we go, Trident Startright Rig Body. First pout of the night. Saves a blank. Right, let's get it back. Happy days. So I've got 1 pout to show for my insanity, or sanity, whichever you like to call it, madness. But yeah, so that was on the 2-hook loop. I haven't blanked, it sort of matters. But yeah, just getting back to the old Startright Rig Bodies. You know, I've been using them now for a year. Absolutely sublime. You know, where you can adjust them is, sorry, let's keep that a bit steadier, is absolutely peach. I mean, they don't last forever, to be fair. I mean, I'm probably getting about 5 or 6 uses out of the Startright Rig Bodies. They're fully adjustable, but the adjustment does get a little bit sort of like a little bit weak. I've had a couple of nicks in the rig body itself, so that's obviously it's a no-brainer. You just got to cut it up. But yeah, I mean, if I was going to mark the Startright Rig Bodies out of 10, it would have to be 9.5. But as always, not everything lasts forever. You can only get so many uses out of them. No different from any other type of rig, and obviously they're fully adjustable. So I get probably about 5 or 6 trips out of one rig, as in renewing the snoods. I do every trip renew the snoods anyway, and hooks. I never use a hook twice, never ever, never have done. The hooks are just pennies, aren't they, really, in reality? When you actually look at it like that, they are cheap as chips. And to me, you need sharp hooks. Simple as that. So yeah, so always check the adjustments, the adjuster crimps on them, so to speak. And obviously always check your snood bodies anyway. Nothing's ever perfect, so you just want to keep an eye on everything. It's no different if you make your own rig bodies and everything, so just keep an eye on the rig body itself. But it's really, to be fair, it's really abrasive resistance, the rig body that Trident use. Is it called Great White? Something like that. But yeah, 9.5 out of 10 for this year using just those. And I say, I've never ever used a shop bought rigs or anything. I have, but they're rubbish, so I can't really say that I never have. I have, but to be fair, nah. But Trident Startright Rig Bodies are absolutely sublime. But like everything, you've got to keep an eye on everything. Make sure there's no nicks in it. Just make sure it's still a perfect rig, even after 5 or 6 uses. After that, I wouldn't even bother, to be fair. Trident, they're so cheap anyway. Take for example, I can't remember what the tour glutes are. I think they're about £1.50 a rig body. If you get 5 or 6 uses out of that, that's cheap. That is a really cheap rig body, and I can't praise them enough. So, but as I say, keep an eye on it all. Nothing lasts forever. But yeah, 9.5 out of 10 for me. Nothing ever in life is perfect. So 9.5 out of 10 for the rig bodies. If you haven't tried them, do try them, because they are absolutely sublime, especially where you can adjust them, like I've always said. But yeah, 100%. It's a massive thumbs up from me. Oh, leans it now. So this is the first cast on the fish bait. Oh, get up over that bank. Certainly doesn't feel like anything on here. So we've got 50-mile-an-hour winds, driving rain. Right. Mind you, I couldn't think of anything better to do on a Saturday night. Leave the fish baits a little bit longer soaked now. That was half hour, probably a little bit longer I want. There's nothing, definitely nothing on here. Nope, not even Right, fresh bit of bait. I think I'll put some mackerel on with the squid this time and see if that helps. Bring it on. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh, time for another check. Jesus. That means it at the moment. Rain is rather driving to say the least. Lovely pout that is. Nothing wrong with that. Happy days. So I just weighed that pout, 1 pound 2 ounces. I'm pleased with that. Nice weight on there. Shame that ain't quite enough. Buried in the silver shine. Now that is what you call a big old spider rat. Now that is all there. Come on, get up. The size of that. Bloody things. You're warm. Happy days. Right, let's get it back out there. Well, time for another bait check. Quickly do that before it starts peeing down again. Woo-hoo-hoo, that's windy. really getting stuck in tonight. First doggy. Oh, a double shot of dogs. That would do me. Oh, double shot of doggies. Happy days. That is what I want to see. Dobbs is on the fish. As I say, won't catch him sad at home. I wonder where the old dogs were. Oh, look at these little... Get off. Startright Rig Bodies performing as always. Tickety boo. Right, get it back out there. Well, I better check the fish rod. Can't keep putting it off. Right, let's see what's occurring. Weight this time, not quite as heavy as the spider crab, but so there's definitely something there, maybe. So 2 dogs and 2 pouts so far. That nice pout of £1.2 and a double shot of dogs. Just be nice to get something half decent on the fish bait. Definitely some weight here, that's for sure. Another dog. Leader. What we got? Yeah, doggy. Doggy up the ass. There we go, number 3. There we go. Third doggy of the evening. Tiny little ones, aren't they? Normally not that. Normally they're not that small, but hey ho, fish the fish. Number 3. Love it. see why it's so good down here. All those worms. Right, let's get it back out there. Tickety boo. Right, another check. Woohoo! See what's on here. Didn't bode well, that. Wasn't stuck in or anything. Doesn't feel like there's anything there either. Does not feel good at all. Oh yeah, there's no, oh, double shot something. Where's the leader on? There we go, double shot of, there we go. Well, I do believe, and that is 100% porcod. Been well mullered. That is a porcod. That is a pout. Yee. Oh, another species. Cool. But I think the rigor mortis is setting on them ones. Mind you, I was waiting for the rain to stop on that. But you'll notice the difference. If you scrape that, all the scales are coming off of that. Tickety boo. Oh well, another two. Get them back in. Not that they're alive, but there you go. Someone will appreciate that. Right. Dare I say, I must be mad, but let's get it back out there. Oh. Old Sakuma size 2s are doing well. They're the pros. Nice, lovely, small, sharp hooks. Very fine wire. Diesel heater there, pumping away, a nice bit of heat. Dries me out a little bit. Plenty of worms from Bill's Bait and Tackle as always. There we go. Put that onto the 2-hook loop. Make sure it's not tangled. That down to the end. Perfect. Bring it on. Time for another check on the old fish rod. think you could say that is lashing down now. The fish bait rod can wait. I've just had that double shot dogs, got that back out there. Yeah, the car's rocking. It's blowing hard. Tickety boo. Thought that rain was going to be easing up, but it's pretty grim. Tide's ebbing well now. Double shot of Pout. Where are the whiting? Another small one. Let's get it back out there. One more cast on the fish rod. That'll take it up to 11 then. That'll give it a good soak, and that'll be me done on that. Well, I was going to put the fish rod back out, but it looks like a spider crab. Main hook, so I'll pack that one up. Give it another cast on the old worm bait, so go and check. Come on, unless I lose this, of course. Come slowly. Sounds like it. There we go. Better pout. Another pout. Probably one more cast on the old worms. Oh god. I'm getting up a bit more. Right. Let's get them worms on. Well, this is the last cast. Typical, it absolutely kicks down. I've been waiting for it to ease up, but it wasn't happening. So, here it goes. Weight on it. Well, it's been enjoyable fishing wise. Had a few fish. Conditions, yeah, lovely, but I'd rather be down here doing this than sat at home doing nothing. So got bait in the water, you've got every chance of anything. Come on then, a little weight on here, doggy. Yeah, there's a dog and a dog and a pout. Nice. Come on. Oh, that's a better fish. Oh no, it's a Smoothound pup. That's a schmutt. There we go, another pout and a little schmutt on the Trident Startright loop. Happy days. Right, let's get them off, get that packed up and talk to you in a bit. Well, that's me done. I've had quite a lot of fish. Conditions are absolutely horrendous here, but still I've caught, that's the main thing, so tickety boo. Yeah, it's been enjoyable. I think it's 3 dogs, 5 or 6 pout, 1 poor cod and 1 little Smoothound pup, so not too bad at all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for all your support as always. Please hit the like button. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and share away. But hopefully you can take something from this. Whether you want to fish in these conditions or not, it beats being at home, so tickety boo. Town Quay. Storm Bert.